Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education Channel. Let's continue the lesson, The Happy Prince. In our previous session, we came to know that after kissing the Happy Prince on the lips, the swallow bird fell down at his feet. Okay, he fell down dead at his feet. At that time, a curious crack sounded inside the statue as if something had broken. In fact, uh, the leaden heart of Happy Prince had snapped right in two. It was broken into two parts. It certainly was a dreadfully hard frost. Now let's continue the lesson. Early the next morning, the mayor was walking in the square below the company with the town councillors. As they passed the column, he looked up at the statue. Dear me, how shabby the Happy Prince looks, he said. Next day, early in the morning, the mayor was walking in the square below in the company with the town councillors. Along with mayor, there were town councillors. As they passed the column, when they came near that statue, column on which Happy Prince stood, he looked up at the statue. The mayor looked up at the statue. Dear me, how shabby the Happy Prince looks, he said. Then mayor said, Dear me, oh my God, how shabby the Happy Prince looks. See how shabby. Shabby means ugly. Okay. How ugly the Happy Prince looks, he said. How shabby indeed, cried the town councillors, who always agreed with mayor. And they went up to look at it. Okay. Then town councillors also said, how shabby indeed. Okay, they always used to agree with the mayor. Okay, mayor said the Happy Prince was looking ugly. That's why they also replied that he was ugly. Happy Prince was ugly. And they went up to look at it. The ruby has fallen out of his sword. His eyes are gone, and he is golden no longer, said the mayor. Then mayor said, the ruby has fallen out of his sword. His eyes are gone, and he is golden no longer. Now he is not covered with gold, said the mayor. In fact, he is little better than a beggar. Now he is looking a little better than a beggar. Better than a beggar, said the town councillors. Again, those councillors also repeated the same thing. Little better than the beggar. And here is actually a dead bird at his feet, continued the mayor. And mayor said, here is a dead bird at his feet. We must really issue a proclamation that birds are not to be allowed to die here. And the town clerk made a note of the suggestion. And mayor said, we must issue a proclamation. Proclamation means, see here, a formal public announcement. We have to make an announcement that birds are not to be allowed to die here. And town clerk made a note of suggestion, and town clerk, he wrote down that suggestion. So they pulled down the statue of Happy Prince. As he is no longer beautiful, he is no longer useful, said the art professor at university. And one of the art professor of university suggested that as his mean Happy Prince is no longer beautiful, he is no longer useful. Okay, that's why the statue of Happy Prince was pulled down. Okay, it was removed. When they melted the statue in the furnace, what a strange thing, said the overseer of the workmen at the foundry. This broken lead heart will not melt in the furnace. When they melted the statue in furnace means, you see, a device of heating. When they were melting it in the furnace, what a strange thing, said the overseer of the workmen at the foundry. Okay, they found a strange thing at that time in the foundry. Foundry means, see, a workshop or factory for casting metal. Okay, those workers, they were surprised to see a particular thing. What is that? This broken lead heart will not melt in the furnace. The strange thing was that the broken lead heart was not being melt in the furnace. Okay. We must throw it away. And at last they decided to throw that heart away. So they threw it on a dust heap where the dead swallow was also lying. That's why they threw that broken lead heart on the dust heap where there was a dead body of swallow. Bring me the two most precious things in the city, said God to one of his angels. In the heaven, God said to one of his angels to bring two most precious things in the city. And the angel brought him the leaden heart and dead bird. Then angel came to that city and he brought the God, the leaden heart and dead bird. You have rightly chosen, said God. Yeah, you have rightly chosen. Two things which you have chosen, they are perfectly right. Said God, for in my garden of paradise this little bird shall sing forevermore, and in my city of gold the happy prince shall praise me. Hereafter this little bird, shall sing forevermore. Okay, it will sing in my garden of paradise. Okay, and in my city of gold, the happy prince shall praise me, and this happy prince hereafter he will be there in this city of gold, and he will praise me. His work will be praising me. Like this, God made those things. Means God made happy prince and swallow bird eternal. Okay, deathless things. Let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching.